Have you ever dreamed of starting a business with almost zero upfront investment and no prior expertise? It sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today I am going to show you a business model that is not only possible, but is absolutely booming. Right now, we're talking about AI-powered service reselling. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to start earning a significant income, potentially thousands of dollars a month, from the comfort of your home. So what exactly is AI-powered service reselling? It's a genius business model where you act as the middleman. You find clients who need a specific digital service, and then you use powerful and affordable AI tools to deliver that service. You don't need to be a graphic designer, a writer, or a video editor. You just need to be smart about connecting the dots. The beauty of this is that the demand for these services is incredibly high, and clients are willing to pay top dollar for quality work. You get to charge a premium, while your costs to produce the service are incredibly low. That difference? That's pure profit for you. Let's break down why this is such a brilliant strategy. First, the barrier to entry is practically non-existent. You don't need a fancy degree or years of training. The AI does the heavy lifting. This means you can get started today. Second, it's a high-ticket, high-demand industry. Businesses of all sizes need content. They need marketing materials. They need social media management. These aren't one-off needs. They're recurring necessities, which means you can secure stable, monthly retainers from clients. Imagine having clients pay you $500, $1,000, or even $2,000 every single month. It adds up fast. So how does it actually work in practice? Let's walk through the process step by step. Step 1 is to find a service that's in high demand. Don't overthink this. Just look at what businesses are constantly asking for online. Think about things like logo design, voiceovers for commercials or YouTube videos, social media content creation, blog post writing, or even video ad creation. The key is to pick a niche. Don't try to be a jack of all trades. Start with one service, master it, and then you can expand. A great way to find these services is to browse freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. See what services are popular, what people are charging, and look for gaps in the market. Once you've chosen your service, step 2 is to find the right AI tools to deliver it. This is where the magic happens. Let's say you've decided to offer logo design. There are incredible AI logo makers out there like Looko or Midjourney that can generate dozens of professional quality logos in seconds based on a simple text prompt. If you've chosen voiceovers, you can use AI voice generators like 11 Labs or Murph AI to create incredibly realistic human-like voices in any style or language. For social media content, tools like Jasper or Copy AI can write compelling captions and posts in minutes. The list goes on and on. The best part is that many of these tools have free trials or very affordable subscription plans. Your cost to produce a professional-grade service could be as low as $5 to $10, or even free to start. Now for step 3, which is the most important part, finding clients. This is where most people get stuck, but it's simpler than you think. You need to go where your potential clients are. If you're targeting small businesses, LinkedIn is your gold mine. You can search for business owners in your local area or in a specific industry, connect with them, and send a personalized message offering your service. Another fantastic method is cold emailing. You can find business emails using tools like Hunter.io and send a concise, value-packed email explaining how you can help them. Don't just say, "I sell logos." Instead, say, "I help new businesses create a strong brand identity with professional logos that attract customers." See the difference? You're selling a solution, not just a service. You can also create a simple portfolio website or a professional-looking social media page to showcase examples of your work. Remember those logos you generated with AI? Put them in your portfolio. Clients don't need to know how it was made. They just care about the final result. Let's run through a concrete example. Imagine you decide to offer social media content packages for local restaurants. You create a package, 10 custom Instagram posts with graphics and captions for $150. A restaurant owner who is too busy to manage their social media would see this as an incredible value. For you, the process is simple. You use an AI image generator to create beautiful pictures of food, and then you use an AI writing tool to generate engaging captions. Your total time investment might be an hour or two, and your cost for using the AI tools could be less than $20. You've just made a profit of $130. Now, what if you sign up 5 restaurants on a monthly retainer? That's $750 a month for just a few hours of work each week. See how powerful this is? Let's explore a few more profitable service ideas you can start right now. First, AI-powered voiceovers. The demand for voiceovers is exploding for YouTube videos, podcasts, audiobooks, and corporate training videos. You can find clients on freelance platforms who need a voiceover for their script. They send you the text. You go to an AI voice generator, paste the script, choose a voice that fits the project, maybe a warm, friendly female voice for an explainer video or a deep, authoritative male voice for a documentary, and generate the audio file. You can easily charge $50 for a 5-minute voiceover that takes you just a few minutes, and a few dollars to create. Another great one is blog post and article writing. Content is king, and every business needs a blog to drive traffic and establish authority. But writing is time-consuming. You can offer a package for high-quality, SEO-optimized blog posts per month for, say, $500. A client would jump at that price. How about short-form video creation for platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels? These are essential for marketing today. You can offer a service creating 15-second video ads. Find a client, get their product details, and then use an AI video generator like Pictory or InVideo. These tools can turn a simple script into a full-fledged video with stock footage, text overlays, and background music. You could charge $100 per video, and your production cost would be minimal. The key to success in this business is all about positioning and pricing. You need to build a brand that looks professional. Create a simple logo for your own agency using AI, of course, and set up a clean, professional-looking social media profile or one-page website. When you reach out to clients, be confident. You are offering a valuable service that solves a real problem for them. When it comes to pricing, don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. Remember, you're selling the final product and the value it brings, not the time it took you to create it. A good rule of thumb is to calculate your cost for the AI tools and then mark it up by at least 3 to 5 times. If your cost is $10, you should be charging at least $30 to $50. For recurring services like social media management, you can easily charge hundreds or even thousands per month, depending on the scope of work. Finally, let's talk about scaling. Once you have a steady stream of clients for one service, you can start to expand. You could hire a virtual assistant to handle client communication and project management. You could add more services to your agency. You could even create your own team by hiring other freelancers to help with the work, turning your one-person operation into a full-blown digital marketing agency. The growth potential is truly limitless. So there you have it, the complete guide to starting your own AI-powered service reselling business. It's a low-risk, high-reward model that's perfect for anyone looking to step into the world of entrepreneurship. You don't need special skills, just the drive to learn and the hustle to find clients. The technology is here, the demand is here, the only missing piece is you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has inspired you to take action. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on how to build wealth in the digital age. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer every single one. Now go out there and start building your empire.